There is one question I get asked over and over again. How do I bring the flood of foot traffic from events and workshops to my business? Right now, I'm going to lay out the ultimate guide on just how to do that. Pull up your note-taking apps and click subscribe to save this video for easy access. You're not going to want to miss this. I'm Tony, and I have brought success to the door of local businesses around the country. Now I'm here to help you do just that. Why do it? Immediate sales boost. Get that traffic to your door. Get them familiar with you, with your store, with your team, with your location, with your parking. Familiarity will breed return visits. What are your primary goals for this event? Do you want to increase foot traffic? Do you want to increase visibility? Do you want this to lead to long-term lead generation? Do you want to expand your reach into a new market location, into a new segment of your town that you haven't really worked with before? Are you looking to attract a new customer profile that you really want to reach out to? Do you want to test a new product segment before going in whole hog with investing in inventory in that? A workshop is a great place to test a new market segment. You can test and see what sort of attention it gets, what sort of reaction it gets. People may say they're looking for it. They may say that yes, they'll buy it. They'll say, yes, this is what we want. But will they put their money down and actually buy it? Get some in stock. And if you find that sales are fantastic, yes, go for that new market segment. You find that people are just not buying when they're there, then you know right there, there's your market research. Don't expand into something that people are not willing to buy. Sometimes people say they want something and they say they'll buy something and it sounds good to them in the time, but you got to find if they're actually going to purchase it. And where's better than at a fun event? We're looking for things to do with our friends. We're looking for things to do with our family. We're looking for places to meet other people that like to do the things that we do. Also, promote FOMO. Make sure your place has the buzz of it is the place to be. The workshop or event will give them a chance to see where everything is. So next time they need something quick, they can pop in and get it and know they can get it quickly. How many times have you been like, oh, I do not want to go to that store. I know they have what I want, but I don't know where to find it. I'll have to look for it, or I'll have to ask someone to look for it. Who wants to ask someone where it is? This gives them a chance to explore what you have and where it is and get familiar with it so that they will come without a second thought next time. And fun is crucial. It has to be fun, not only for them. It has to be fun for you and fun for your team. If it's not fun for you and your team, that feeling will come through. You really need to make it so it's something that you enjoy too. Use that fun and that enjoyment to lay the foundations for your event when you're choosing what type of event to have. Make sure it's something you enjoy. Make it something you would go to if you saw it in the paper, or something that one of your friends mentioned, or something that was in a social media post. And now for the what. I have put a link in the description below to a document that will have a whole list of over a dozen ideas of some great fun events for you to hold for your store. For some things that will really bring in the traffic. Find something that you enjoy, or take an idea from there and put your own spin on it. It is sure to lead to success, and success means bringing people to your door, getting people excited about your store, and you having some fun and connecting with your customers. Now, is this going to be a free event, or is it going to be ticketed? There's advantages and disadvantages to both, and it depends upon who you're trying to attract and what you're trying to do with your event. Go back to your goals for which one you should do. Now, free events will really bring extra foot traffic and extra visibility to your store. It's more likely to attract free media coverage, as well as build your customer contact base. Ticket events. Well, people value what they pay for, so you'll have a lot less people think they're going to come and plan they're going to come, and then actually at the last minute change their mind because they've paid for tickets. It's something they want to go to. Also, if someone's paying for tickets, you know that's someone who's serious about actually investing money in whatever it is your business is. If you are a tax accountant They're much more likely to be scouting for people that they want to handle their business. If you are a pet store, they're much more likely to be people who are going to be investing in their pets. They want to learn something. The sky is the limit, but these are invested people who are interested in putting money down on something related with your business. And when there's costs involved with your workshop, if it is building Christmas wreaths, for instance, there's going to be materials involved. So being able to cover those costs is important to you as a business. Plus, there'll be some added income right there. Ticketed events may or may not be something that you're going to be able to attract the local media for free media coverage. All depends upon the actual details and whether it's a slow news day or not. When it comes down to it, you're going to want a mixture of both in your event and workshop planning. You're going to want events to raise visibility of your store and just do outreach for brand new customers you haven't even considered before. And you're going to want ticketed events for those targeted customers that are ready to put down money. Now for the actual planning. I recommend at least a 6-week timeline to run that out. Let's walk through what that timing involves. 6 weeks, initial setup. Define event details. Decide on your theme, your budget, and whether it will be free or ticketed. Book your vendors or special guests. If you're inviting a guest speaker, musician, or vendor, book them early. Make sure they're going to be available. Set up registration. Decide what platforms you're going to use. There's things like Eventbrite for ticketed events or Google Forms for free RSVP tracking. 4 weeks out, start your promotions. Begin advertising. Tease or promote on your social media, your website, and in-store. Build anticipation and interest. For larger events, send a press release to local media and community calendars. Create visuals. Design eye-catching graphics for social media, posters, and email newsletters. Use bold visuals that will fit the event's theme. 3 weeks out, confirm logistics. Order your supplies from decorations to activity materials. Make sure everything is ordered and set up to arrive on time. Plan your layout. Design your space for optimal flow and accessibility. Make sure there's enough room for activity stations, seating, food, photo ops. Definitely photo ops. You want to get those selfie spots in there. You cannot have an event without a selfie spot or several selfie spots. 1 week out, engage attendees. Send reminder emails. Finalize setup. Ensure your decorations, tables, chairs, and signage are ready to go. Full-on social media promotion. You're going to be wanting to have some news breaks, things that slip out from behind the scenes, as well as your official promotional material. And then 1 day before the event, blitz social for FOMO on last-minute attendees. Use visuals and videos. Increase anticipation. Lean into the curiosity. Set up early. Arrange your space. Set up any decorations and demonstrations. Do a quick run-through to catch any last-minute adjustments. Prep your materials. Ensure any supplies, handouts, or products are organized and ready. And then the day of, have fun. Roll with the punches. If everything went according to plan, there wouldn't be any great stories later. Be sure to create engaging features for social media. Different selfie spots, all set up that are the perfect place that people are going to come and say, oh, I've got to get a selfie there. Have it branded so that when they do take their selfie, somewhere in there is going to be your website, your Instagram handle, something that's going to brand it as you so people can find you and remember you. Have you grow on social. Have a tag me contest. Get it all set up that all the pictures that people are taking while they're at your event, tag them on you so that when you get them, that picture is automatically an entry into a drawing. Again, make it something fun, make it something meaningful, not just a 10% off coupon. Make it something big and memorable and something that they would really enjoy. Draw attention to these things. Do it at the beginning, do it in the middle, so that people are reminded that, yes, there are these great selfie spots. Yes, tag you and what to tag you on for all of these pictures. And remember, make it fun. Fun for you, fun for your team, and then it'll be fun for your customers. Promote before and after your event with social and contests. Keep that energy moving. Beforehand, build excitement, build anticipation, build the FOMO. It will definitely increase the foot traffic to your event. Post countdowns on your social media. Promote special passwords for hidden segments as supplies arrive for a workshop and you're unpacking them. Short, reels and YouTube shorts of these. That helps promote that interest, build that excitement, build that FOMO. People are going to want to be there to join you in that. After the event, keep all that energy rolling, extend it, use that energy for as long as you can. Send thank yous. If this is a smaller business and less than 100 attendees, try to get their physical addresses so you can send them a handwritten thank you note if that is something that's appropriate and works with the feel of your business. It will make you stand out because it's different. And that's what you want. You want to stand out in people's minds. You don't want to do what everyone else is doing because everyone else is doing it. Now, you, of course, were taking photos at your event at the same time. Now, this is the time to start posting them on social media. Not all at once. You have some material to build off from for the week or two following the event. Posting some of the reels and some of the YouTube shorts you have of it. Posting some of the stills. Just sharing that fun that you all had. And maybe even some of the times that you put your foot in your mouth. People will love it. Find a way to get some quick feedback on this. Send a survey. Ask a couple of singular questions a couple of times. This is the way to find out the information. This is market research, but again, make it fun. Find out what you could do better next time. What was a real hit? What wasn't a hit? What did they enjoy? Listen to what they say. Read the comments on your customers' feeds, the comments on your feeds. See what the feeling is. And after a week or so, make a big deal. Pull it out of a hat, have it videoed, choosing your tagging contest winner, and post that. You want content that you can use on your social and be really engaging for people. Not just ads that they're looking at, but to engage them. They want to comment on, they want to see, they want to share. Again, make this fun. Is this something that you can use costumes for? Is this something out of the box that is going to make people pause and stop the scroll just to see what's happening there? It will really increase your foot traffic. Now that you have all these eyes on your feed, ask them, what do you want to see for your next event? Give them a couple choices. Start your planning there, but use this momentum. Don't wait for it to peter off to try to rebuild. Build upon this momentum to keep it going and growing and growing and growing. People who had fun at your event, next time, not only will they come, they're going to bring their friends. Events are the perfect place for business collaborations that are a win-win for everyone. Watch this video here to nail down that piece.